This is the floor on the toilet. This older house up here. And I got soft spot here. This is about to go in. See, right there, there it is. Yeah, that's what that's called already. You see that hole? See the water damage over here, and it's soft right up in here anyway. And take this sink out, do what I can, do what it just gotta be done. Try to get it done today. Of course, that's the new toilet. And that'll cut you. That kind of material, porcelain material, it cuts quick like glass. So at least I get that out the way. So let's get started. Here's the soft spots. I think it's best for me to do that than to try to take up the whole floor, which I'm not going to say is going to be impossible, but those who are a carpenter, look at that. This wood older than me and will last longer than me. Now, you're looking at that beam and it looks wet, which it is. I want to probably put something over the top of it, but the beam itself, I had worked on it before, and all I did just add these 2x here, and this 2x that I got on top, it got wet. That's the top of the beam right here that got wet. This is the bottom beam, but this is still a part of the beam. You can see this beam got to be it's a 2x10 or 2x8, but it's a nice size beam and it's solid. I mean, it's solid as a rock even. I mean, it's solid because the span, the width is not so long. It stops about right here. Stops about right here, over here, and that width is not long at all. It's solid. It's dry everywhere else but here. So definitely not going to take that out, at least not now. Maybe way in the future, but not now. It's working. And looking at my piping and everything, one day, those need to be changed out and something new. But this whole bathroom is going to be expanded anyway. So right now, what I'm doing is just fixing it to where it's usable and nobody falling in those spaces, getting all the rotten wood out. I took that laminate up. We had put something else down on the floor. Let me see. I'm making sure. Yeah, I got those pictures. Another tub, another wall. I mean, everything's going to be changed out. So just chronicling it and seeing where I started from. Okay. All right. This is, I guess, a finish of reconstruction on the floor. This whole piece was needing to come out because it sagged, so I had to record it there, a counting groove, and then came here and did my scrap. Of course, I wanted to turn it the other way. That's why you see the things here. So But here, make it stand up, to sit flat, and not wall, because I didn't take a picture of before, but the toilet itself was leaning, and he had trouble with that. And the last time I came back in here, I never worked on it to rectify that. So this time, I went ahead, took my time, and did do that, and made it tight and snug around the opening there, and it sits level. Uh, then I had sag, little stuff over here, so I went ahead and did that. This it looks old and all that, but it's good. It's real hard, real real solid. And I looked up under there, so that's good. But all this is going to be kind of changed out and expanded later on in the near future. But at least there it is, and then I'm gonna do more with the tub, and take that out and just re-up, and then do the ceilings there, get the mold off. So it's going to be a complete remodel, and it's just a basic remodel. And then once I come back, to it, picture, it's going to be the final thing. Right now, we just throw some rugs or something over that. Out of sight, out of mind. My wife put pretty things on it and all that. And by this time next year, probably it'll be a newer bathroom where that would be open, and this floor will be done, and the floor out here will be done. It's a lot, but it's worth it to me. A beautiful old house. So let me set the toilet. Okay. So just a preview. Well, just a basic right now. They got this started, and at least got the toilet right, and the floor from sagging, and now I'm gonna leave it up to my wife, and she'll make it pretty until we ready to do something, which is probably soon, a couple months or so. I got some electricity here, but yet still, right now she could go ahead and take a shower and all that stuff, and then I can come back and put my caulk in and everything. But this was a $99 toilet, and it had everything in it. Seat came with it, top came with it, and the guts. And the guts that was inside was just like this. I didn't have to do anything but attach it. So that made it real nice. It's a nice new one. I guess that's how you do it. Anywho, that's it. That's sitting on pallet plates. They have a lot of pallets also. Well, I'm gonna caulk around there, but that makes it sit up straight and even, regardless of the floor. I made that even, and now it's level. Everything's level. Excuse me. That makes the floor level and even thicker, and all that good stuff. I just wanted the floor to be good. That was my main thing. We come back to it. Carpentry, when it starts off, is always ugly, and then it ends up beautiful. You see the end product, but this is not finished. This is rough draft. So that's how it's going to be right now. That's it. Merry Christmas.